Do you want to increase your hair volume in a photo? You can do it easily using PhotoDirector. Just open the app, then go to AI Magic Studio and browse the options. Here you will find hair volume. Choose the image you would like to work on, and then you can choose from subtle, natural, medium, high or maximized. I would suggest medium. You will have to wait a few seconds until it's done, and then your hair volume will be increased. Yes, you can see the difference. This was the original and this is now. I think it's better. Click on the check mark and do not forget to save your file. Thank you for your kind attention.